to organize the production. Organize means what? Keeping the things at the right place. That is nothing but what? Organize the particular things. Okay. So the organize in the same in the sense of managing the plant layouts according to the processes, keeping the machines at the right place according to the process. So that is nothing but what? Organize. Okay. So here I want to give one example. In the foundries, the layout is in such a manner that the material is always pushed from backside to the front side. Okay. The material is always pushed from backside to the front side. So let us say that one of the foundry is there, and that particular foundry producing the cylindrical blocks. Okay. And that particular foundry also doing the machining on that particular cylindrical blocks, and that cylindrical blocks are dispatching to uh, say Tata Motor Company. Okay. Tata Motor Company. So now what kind of layout will be best suited for that particular company? And every day that particular company um, how to transfer some number of cylindrical blocks to that particular Tata company. And in that case, this particular push type of layout is most effective. So push type of layout, or we can say that material push type of industry. Okay. So in that case, on the back side, okay, let us say that there are two sides, front side is there and back side is there. So on the back side, the foundry equipment, that is nothing but if you require the gravity die casting, if you require the pressure die casting, all such a casting line will be established on the back side. Then afterward, the machining department will be there, which will perform the machining. Then afterward, the last final quality check department will be there. And then near to the front side, there will be the storage of that particular products. And from that front side, the material will be dispatched to the Tata Motor. So that particular layout of, or that particular establishment will be considered as a push type of, or back push type of a flow for the material. So such kind of a planning is required while before starting that particular production system, and also which kinds of processes required to produce that particular things. Okay. So that is also part of a planning. Okay. That is also part of a planning. So production planning is the determination, acquisition, and arrangement of all facilities necessary for the future production of products. Future production of products. Getting everyone? Any question? Any problem? So the next point is nothing but what? Production control. Okay. So what is the requirement of a production control? We have number of times planned for doing the study on a regular basis. Okay. From start, we are planning that at the start of the semester, we are planning that we will do study on a daily basis, and we will score about 80% marks. So this is our planning. Okay. But after 3 4 days, you will get bored from that particular study, and you want to stop that study, and you want to do some entertainment, you want to wander here and there, you want to participate in another things, and for some days you forget that particular your plans and your goals. Okay. So 80% is your goal, final goal, and plan is nothing but that every day 2 3 hours I will study for to achieve that 80%. Okay. So and after some days you forget that particular things. Okay. And it will affect on your final result. Okay. Finally it will affect on your final result, that you have not achieved that particular goals. Okay. So no one is there, instead of your parents, no one is there to ask that why you have done in such a manner that. Okay. But you know everything, that we have planned something but we have not executed that particular plan properly. So in such a manner that, okay, in a company has done some planning to produce that particular product, but there are n number of problems, or we can say that innumerable or countless factors which affect on production system, and because of which there is a deviation from actual plan. Okay, because of some reason, this particular plan will not get executed properly. So it is not possible to achieve the production 100% as per the plan. Every time there is some problems to achieve the production 100%. Okay, so these problems or these factors are countless. Okay, there are a number of factors in the industry to organize all the materials, all the resources, and to produce that particular goods. So n number of problems arises to achieve that particular product. So factors like non availability of material, it is also called as a due to the shortage of the material, uh, then plant or equipment and machinery breakdown. Okay, so due to the breakdown, it will hamper on the plan. Then changes in demand and rush order. Okay, so sometimes the customer demand change. Okay, now what happened due to the pandemic situation, it will affect on the customer demand for the industries, production industries. So such a external factors will affect on the demand. Okay, and some of the internal factors also affect on the demands. Then next is nothing but absenteeism of workers, then lack of coordination and communication between various functional areas of a businesses. Okay, so there is no proper communication from higher authority to middle authority and middle authority to the ground level workers. So if there is no coordination, then there will be a communication gap, and there will be a conflict related to the production system. So these particular factors are some of the factors which will affect, or which are the reasons uh, we can say that there are the reasons for the production system to not achieve the 100% of a planned production. Okay, so and there are streamlines of a production. Take one example that for one thing. Okay, so if you required to some nut and bolts to do the assembly of some products. Okay, and you have given this particular, you are the higher management, and you have given this particular responsibility to the middle management. Okay, and middle management have given that particular responsibility to the worker. Okay, and due to the hectic schedule of worker, he forgot to purchase that particular nut and bolts from some of the vendors. Okay, or he forgot to place that particular order to that particular vendor, and next day there will be a shortage of that particular material. Then obviously the assembly will not be done for some period to up to that particular period. When you will receive the material, then we will start that particular production or the assembly of the products. Okay, so there are n number of such a factors are there in the company. Or if you can say that you have given the order, but that particular vendors does not have that much stock to meet up your order. Okay, or to fulfill your order, so that may be a problem. Okay, there is a shortage of a product in the market. Okay, and that will affect on your production. Then the workers. Okay, so some set of workers, or we can say that 10 workers are having different qualities. Okay, or different skill sets, and these 10 workers are required on a regular basis to meet up the daily routine production rate. Okay, and there is some backup force if anyone absent for that particular shift. Okay, and out of that, two workers are absent without giving prior notice to the HR manager. Okay, and they become absent for 3 to 4 days. Okay, and that will affect on the production system, because for one shift, if you're saying that there are 10 workers and they are working in a synchronized manner, so it will affect on their synchronization or on their production rate. Okay, so these problems are there, and due to that, the 100% achievement will not be there for production plan. So to uh, uh, to achieve the target, okay, to achieve the target, to satisfy the customer demand, the production control is very much important. So if there is any deviation between actual production and planned production, the control function comes into picture, okay, or comes into action. So production control through control mechanism try to take corrective action to match the planned and actual production, okay. So here the activity of production control is nothing but to take the corrective step to match up this particular planned production and actual production, okay. So sometimes the corrective steps are in such a manner that you have to work or the some extra working hours are provided to the laborers, or we can say that if the material shortage will be there in the future, okay, and then or there is a material shortage for long in this particular present situation, then provide the orders to another vendor also, so that that particular vendor, both the vendors can fulfill your requirement or that particular industry requirement. So such a corrective steps how to take when there is any production gap, or we can say that any production deviations will be there. Then if there is any quality deviation, okay, if your any machine will not achieve that particular quality of the product, okay, in the sense of dimensions, in the sense of the metallurgy of the products, so similar product control steps need to take against uh, that particular deviation, okay. So if there is checking for the machine deviation, is there any offset while doing that particular production, or is there any problem of settings of a machine. So corrective steps need to take to achieve that particular specific quality norms, okay, to achieve that particular specific quality norms, okay. So in this manner, this particular corrective steps can be taken under the production control, okay. So production control through control mechanism try to take corrective actions to match the planned and actual production. The production control reviews the progress of the work and takes the corrective steps in order to ensure the program production takes place, okay. So here this is the main function of a production control, that to control the production activities in the sense of a quality, quantity, cost, and uh, cost and time, okay. So all these factors need to control to achieve the desired goals, okay. So for that purpose production control takes the necessary actions, and tries to match up the planned activity with the actual activity, okay, planned activities with the actual activities. So essential steps in control activities are initiating production, progressing, and corrective action, okay. Initiating production, progressing that particular production, and taking the corrective action if there is any deviation from plan and actual, okay. Getting everyone what is meant by production control, and what is meant by production planning, okay. Please mention in the chat box. Okay, write down the needs for PPC, that is production planning and control. What is the requirement, why we require the production planning and control, okay. And if is there any question, please ask the question, or mention in the chat box that you are getting everything. Getting or not, please answer the question in the chat box whether you are getting or not. Okay, others, please mention in the chat box. Okay, okay, okay. So if you have any doubt, any question, you can ask, uh, and you can note down some of the points related to need for planning, then production planning and control, and that planning means what and production control means what. Or shall we move ahead to the next slide? Okay. Shall we move ahead to the next point? Please mention in the chat box. Next slide. Whether you have finished the, the write-up part from this particular slide. Shall we move ahead to the next point? Please mention in the chat box. Have you noted all the points from this slide? Okay. So next point is production planning and production control. So in that particular point, we have discussed the two separate points, that is production planning means what and production control means what. Okay. So PPC having the two segments. Okay. The first one is production planning, which will be considered as a pre-production activity. Okay. And second is production control. Okay. So controlling is done while doing the production. Okay. While happening the production. Okay. So activity is initiated, production activity is initiated, and there is a deviation. Okay. The deviation of actual from the plan. Okay. And at that particular point, the production control will be in the picture. Okay. So control is nothing but what, um, uh, taking the feedback from that particular department, or that particular from that particular machine, or from that particular uh, worker which is working at that location. So feedback in such a manner that in the sense of a quantity, quality, rejection, these are the factors of a feedback. Okay. The problems. Okay. And what corrective measures one have to take, that is the policy of the firm, and that policy will becomes under the production control. Okay. So what action should take in that particular situation, that will comes under the production control. Okay. So we have discussed uh, about this particular production planning and production control separately. Okay. So now you'll better understood what is meant by production planning and what is meant by production control. Everyone, please note down the points. Okay. Okay. Shall we move ahead to the next point? Have finished all the points from this particular slide? Please note down everything. Let Let me tell you one thing that most of the industries in the uh, with concern with the mechanical group, or we can say that mechanical branch, are related to the production. And if you want to work in the industry, so if you know such a things, okay, if you have some basic knowledge, then you will be hired for the management skills or management, uh, we can say that, for the management vacancies. Okay. So it is the part of a management, or we can say that. So uh, so if you have some such a basic knowledge, and if you have interpreted this knowledge in your interviews, then uh, the industry people will be interested to hire you for the management vacancies. Okay. So those are lucky people which are getting hired for the management directly, instead of uh, we can say that ground, instead of without having ground level experience. Okay. Ground level experience means what? Working in production department as a supervisor, as a quality inspector. Okay. Working in machining department, on a CNC machine, working on CNC machine, or working as a supervisor in CNC machine, or working as an executive engineer in a CNC department or BMC department. Then, so you are keeping all these particular uh, steps, and you are directly getting hired for the management vacancies. Okay. For the management training. Okay. So in that case, you need not to work uh, on a ground floor. You have to just sit inside the office and perform your work related to the planning, related to the controlling, and execute that particular work by providing the orders uh, uh, to your subordinates or to your underneath peoples. Okay, so that is the good thing, good option. So this knowledge is important in that particular sense. Okay, so take it seriously. Okay, so uh, if you neglect that there is a theory subject and you will perform, you will do um, everything at the last night, and you will get okay, you on the basis of marks. Okay, it is the problem of our education system that anyone can get good marks by Rattamar technique. Okay, so that is the failure of our education system, and you are finding the loopholes through that particular education system. Okay, so uh, don't forget that you are doing this for yourself only, not and you are not doing for this. You are not taking education for anybody else. Okay, you are taking education for yourself only. So it's your to improve your qualities, to improve your personality. This education is important. Okay, and on this basis only you are going to hire in the industries. Okay, on this knowledge basis only you will get hired in the industries. Okay, so don't show negligence. Some of the students like Akshay Takle and others, I am seeing that they are joining at the start, taking the permission from me, and they have left from the group, and at the end of the lecture they want to give just attendance. Okay, so this is the scenario. So just I am putting the scenario in front of you. Okay, so बाकी आपकी मर्जी. Okay, shall we move ahead to the next point? Production control. Yogeshwar Devkate also joined late. I think he has also taken the permission at the start of lecture, and he left from the lecture, and now he has joined. Hmm? Yogeshwar, your I think you have kept someone IAS officer picture on your uh, as your profile picture. I think so, and you are doing like this way. So what you are taking through that particular picture, huh? Yogeshwar. So change your attitude. My miss, I'm saying these things for one reason only. Okay, change your attitude. You will get everything. So you will be in a same attitude, and you have not changed anything. Then you will be like common people and wandering here and there for job purpose. Okay, so attitude is everything. So every you are also expecting that I should get some salary package like 4 lakh, 5 lakhs every year, okay, at the starting salary package. But the company is also expecting from your side that you should be sincere, you should have some knowledge, that so that the company will not take much efforts to groom your personality. Okay, so fulfill company's requirement, they will fulfill your dreams. Over production control. This slide. Please note down these particular points. Okay. So in the next lecture, we will see the difference between production planning and production control. So the first point of next lecture will be the difference between production planning and control. Okay. Please note down from this particular slide, and meanwhile I will take the attendance. Okay. So roll number 1,
Yes, sir.
roll number 2,
Yes, sir.
roll number 3,
Yes, sir.
4,
Present, sir.
5,
Present, sir.
6,
Yes, sir.
7,
Yes, sir.
8,
Yes, sir.
9, absent, 10,
Yes, sir.
11,
Yes, sir.
12,
Yes, sir.
13, 14, 15, 16, 17,
Yes, sir.
18, 19,
Yes, sir.
20, 21,
Yes, sir.
22, 23, 24,
Present, sir.
okay, 25, 26, 27,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
okay, 28, 29,
Yes, sir.
okay, 30,
Yes, sir.
31,
Present, sir.
32, 33,
Yes, sir.
34,
Present, sir.
35, 36,
Yes, sir.
37, 36 present,
Yes, sir.
okay, 37,
Yes, sir.
38,
Yes, sir.
39, 40,
Yes, sir.
41,
Yes, sir.
42, 43, 44, 45, 46,
Yes, sir.
47, 48, 49, 50, 51,
Yes, sir.
52, 53, 54,
Yes, sir. 54.
okay, 55, 56,
Yes, sir.
57, 58,
Yes, sir. 50.
57 Junaid, okay,
Yes, sir.
58, 59,
Yes, sir.
59, okay, 60,
Yes, sir.
okay, 61, 62, 63,
63 present, sir.
Hello?
Yes, okay, mark down message for your attendance.
Yes, sir.
64, 65, 66, 67, 68. Please mute your 67 absent, 68 absent, 69, 70.
Sir, 17.
Okay. 71,
Present.
72, 73,
Present.
74, 75,
74.
74 are bad. Okay. 75 absent, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82. Okay, here 73 marked your attendance, 74 also marked, 63 marked, 69, 69. Okay. 71 marked, 64, 64 marked, 21 marked. Okay, we'll stop here.